Here is Usborne's baby's very first noisy book of trains. It has these buttons with wonderful sounds. It's a very sturdy book. Has a plane with cows, a train. This looks like an express type train or a monorail. And then here's the sound of the train going over the tracks. And then lastly, this looks like a light rail train. I was afraid when I ordered this book that I might not like the fact that it made sounds. I thought it would be annoying to hear them all the time, but as you can tell, they're rather pleasant sounding, not something I'd be concerned about hearing on a day-to-day basis with my child. And I think your children will enjoy it as well.